actually guys, we are going here we are thinking to buy some like water or something, because we didn't find, it's not easy to find everywhere supermarket. But everything dark and completely empty, no one is in the street, so everything closed actually. The guy said we should walk more than minutes, so no need. Be careful, there is stairs. So and it's so cold now. It's 4 degrees, so let me show you the road. There is the restaurant in the hotel, so I think better anything we need from them we can order. But since it's too cold, I cannot even talk properly or to make a video or something, and it isn't worth it to go so far. So now we are going back to finish the hotel. And this is the place, how it looks like. It's all foggy, nothing to see. This is our room, all of it from outside. And this is our balcony. So I just arrived to the room, and as you can see the weather, how outside is it, but the room is so warm. But before I start the video, remember to show you I got this book from the hotel. It's talking about all the history of Cappadocia and everything. So he said it's fine, you can keep it with you for one night so I can read and understand more about the history. It's really nice idea when you are in one different country and they have like a history and everything in one book. You can enjoy before you sleep, read about where are you exactly, and like you feel the moment more since you know the place, how long is it and what happened here. And so anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and good night, and wait for the next video tomorrow. It will be more exciting video because tomorrow we'll be having a tour, so we will be going to many different places, which is with a guide. So he will be explaining everything, and you'll be watching everything with me on the video. So tomorrow, see you in a different video. See you, and don't forget to comment and like, subscribe, and if you are new, subscribe. For a while guys I turned, and before I close the video, let me show you. Doesn't it remind you of anything? The guy earlier, the old person, old man, Mr. Sulaimani, he's doing with this one. Right? So I remember him now. Now I understand this is what they use it for. Before I don't know, I was thinking it's only decoration. So now I know it's for the wine. So they keep the wine, and this is, they keep it in their shoulder, and that's how they keep it.